I want to show you how to install and put together this amazing storage ottoman for you. It's so easy to put together. You're just going to take apart the top and the bottom, and we're just going to take the sides and just stretch it all out. And then the bottom piece, it just goes right down there. Now pay attention, because there is a little tab on the end. Just make sure that right there points up so you can pull it out whenever you need to take it apart in the future or clean it out, because you can clean this, which is also nice. Just take a damp cloth, just wipe it down. And there is a middle piece. This is optional. It just allows you to separate your storage out. So you just put that on your Velcro like so, and you can easily take that out in the future if you need to. And the last thing is to add on the bench, which is also your top. And look at that, in under 1 minute you're able to put together this amazing storage ottoman with it, and it looks amazing. The quality is great, and I absolutely love this. Or I want to put this here in my kids' room to be able to have nice kids storage for their toys at the end of their bed. Hopefully you enjoy this as well.